So as you can see there, our start point is Milnrow, which is junction 21 of the M62. Then we're going to make our way east all the way to Hull, which is the end of the M62 and beyond. As you can see there on the next slide, we travel from Hull to Rotterdam on the overnight ferry, which takes 12 hours. So we'll be on there at night, being entertained, probably have a few beers, get our head down in the morning, a nice full English breakfast before we get on our way into Holland. So this is it, a big one into Europe. Moto Trip TV goes Europe wide. I was hoping for better weather when they going into Europe, but for once I won't be able to blame British weather, it'll be European weather. We're just getting on the motorway now at junction 21 at Milnrow, making our way into Yorkshire and working all the way east to the coast to the port at Hull, which will take us on a ferry over to Rotterdam. But that won't be today because the ferry crossing is 12 hours. So we'll have time to explore the boat and relax a bit. At the moment it's that nervy feeling you get when you've got to catch a boat or catch something. So once we get on there we can relax then, and then after that should be nice and peaceful. Yeah. So here we go then. Signposted Leeds, Yorkshire. No, that's it. And behind that Wren kitchen, he couldn't pull out for you because there was a wagon at the side of him, that's what it were. So it's not that he's a knob that weren't giving you away, he just couldn't get out. I'll catch you up, don't worry. When you got all waterproof gear on it, bloody warm, isn't it? Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it? You got merino wool underpants? Well, sat-nav's saying we're going to get there at 4:37. Well, I'll take either of them times. What the hell's happened to this sign here? Low-flying aircraft or what? A GS in blue. Is this biker catching the same ferry as us?
Yeah, it looks like a kind of traveller, doesn't he? Well, we've got an hour to go and the sun's out for us, so hopefully if we keep going in this direction it'll just get warmer and warmer. 23 degrees again now. Hey Cardo, music off. It's gone off. Hey! Hallelujah! If I heard one more record by the weekend, I'd have thrown myself under that truck. I don't listen to pop music at all, so why the hell, when Spotify kicks in and starts playing a load of chart music? Must think I'm 14. Not even 14 stone, I wish it was. To be honest, voice recognition, you're really testing the limits of it on the motorway, aren't you? At 70 mile an hour, wind noise and all that, you've got no chance.
Have you ever seen that on a motorway? 30 mile an hour? Not joking. Oh, you have used them before now. Yeah, I've been going a while then. Electric stuff. Internet for shopping's been worst thing ever. I must spend more money now because of internet than anything else. It's just too easy, isn't it? I go on my computer me and I think, oh, I'll just go on and I'll edit this video, or I'll check something online. And then next thing, you're on Amazon buying something. And you're like, what are you doing? I've been coming here to check the weather. Now I've got a laptop on the way.
Yeah, it's just mental. For a minute there I thought there were a guy halfway up this one of these stanchions with an high vis on. It does look a bit like that, doesn't it? He's a brave man if he is. Well, they're just lights, I think. Right. Yeah. Ferry, that'll be us. Yeah, I don't know what the link with Hull that is. Oh, is that our ferry? Is that us? I bet. Yeah. I've got to go in at Terminal 1 here somewhere in a minute. We're going to the right place. What's round? Right, go on then. It's like an Itchy Boots video where she was wrong. Right, okay mate, nice one. If it weren't for people like that, we'd be lost. Right, bikes only. Got all my stuff in there. I don't have to take this bloody thing off while I'm at it. Yeah, that's our booking stuff.
Yeah.
I know, that's it. Yeah. Do you want to go first? Oh, right, go on then. Hello there. Got passports? Hang on, just put it in neutral. We've got two reference numbers. It's going to be a bit confusing because me and him and this bike are on one number and his bike is on a separate one. That's his passport as well. Hopefully. Probably not, knowing how we look. Right, okay. Well, that looks pretty.
Yeah.
Before tomorrow.
Pen there now.
Just over the line there.
Here you go, you lunatic.
That's a bad thing, we're almost signing it. There. On that bit. All right, I'll put it there.
Turn the engine off, we can hear herself now.
Do you have the registration number for Mr. Wild's bike, please?
What's your registration?
Okay, so I'll give you that back there, thank you.
Thank you.
And And your boarding cards with your meal voucher, cabin number and your cabin keys.
Right, okay.
Just like
Yeah.
so Mr. Barnes.
So you can have your
Thank you.
card for the food.
Mr.
Keep them.
Barnes.
Thank you
Keep them
very much.
safe.
Thank you, have a good trip.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can just wait here please, just while they're loading.
Right, okay.
What's that?
Just wait here while they're loading.
All right. Okay.
Where are you going to?
Starting off in Holland, through Germany, through Czech Republic, into Austria, through Austria, back into Germany,
Wow.
Liechtenstein, Switzerland, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, and back here.
Wow.
16 days.
Well, not back here. We haven't booked it till we're going back from Dover.
No, I was going to say you've just got one way.
Yeah, we're going back through Cali, yeah.
Yeah.
So we just book it a day in advance, I think, because
Yeah.
it's a bit more.
Yeah, so you know when you're coming back.
Yeah, we don't know the exact date yet, so we can't book it.
It'd be nice. Lovely.
Yeah, I hope the weather's decent.
I do hope the floods have stopped.
Yeah,
Fires.
I think further south we go, the more chance we've got, so.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's it.
That's okay, you can go forward.
Right, go on then.
Yeah.
See you now. Where are we going, mate?
Just straight down into the shed, he'll have a quick chat with you and then straight back out.
Right.
Left side.
Yeah, getting checked.
Just have a look at your back box, please.
Oh. Oh. I think he will, yeah.
So anything sharp at all?
Anything? No. No, just camera equipment and
So anybody have $2 grand?
that's just a backpack. It's got a laptop in it, some camera equipment, power banks. That's hydration pack. Do we need anything off you? Or?
No, I say just straight down to the mic and move around.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah, thank you.
See you, mate. We look dodgy, that's what it is. Yeah, because you're carrying less, there's less to, well, usually less to look at, but in our case, more on us than a car. Oh, that breeze is nice now that we've now we've got that bloody plastic waterproof jacket off. Too warm, that, crikey. You don't want to wear. Yep, where we're going now. Follow this guy, he looks like he knows what he's doing. Going straight on here. Oh no, there's a guy in this booth. You alright, mate?
Boarding card, please.
Boarding. That one.
Yeah, that's great, thank you.
Should have put my gloves in top box when I pulled over. Today's top tip. When you're pulling support, get rid of your gloves because you're putting them on and off is a bit annoying. Yeah, you could, I bet there's many people lost the documents in this wind though. And then what do you do? Back to the start. Left side. Watch these straps.
Trust me to get the parking spot right next to this post.
That were harmless, weren't it?
Yeah. It's not a ratchet, it's a... Something from that side of the mountains.
Lock in there.
Go on.
Right.
That's as tight as you can get them. I think they've gone to them, and people use the ratchets and all the time, don't they? I'm sure they're checking this for me.
In the next episode, we'll be taking a look around the Pride of Hull ferry so you can see what to expect if you take the same trip before getting off the ferry and into Holland.